Welcome! In this video, we're going to show you how to easily change your About section on WhatsApp. Whether you want to update your status with something new or simply refresh your profile, we've got you covered with these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to make changes. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu with several options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all of your account settings, including your profile details. Step 4. Next, tap on your profile photo at the top of the screen. This takes you directly to your profile, where you can update your information, including your About section. Step 5. Under the About in section, you'll see a pen icon on the right side. Tap on the pen icon to make changes to your About information. Step 6. From here, you can either choose from the preset options that WhatsApp provides, or you can write your own custom About message. Just click on the pen icon, type in your message, and then tap on Save to finalize the change, and that's it. You've successfully updated your About section on WhatsApp. Now, anyone who views your profile will see your new message. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these same steps, and you can update it anytime. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WhatsApp tips.